Oh, he did it.
Yeah!
Nick did the thing. Yes! Last week, I was in the desert, King of the Hammers. Go check out those videos. This week, I'm back home. We're gonna head out with the boys, do some rainforest rock crawling, and see Island Spec. Stay tuned. Safety first, boys. That's the box of doom right there. We'll just keep that closed up. Brand new 4-link since we saw Kevin last in this thing. So this is yes! A little bit of a trial run in the old janky 3.0. So 4-link, some 16-inch, 2.5-inch Fox air shocks in the rear, and it's gonna be a whole new beast. So we're back out with the boys. I was King of the Hammers in the desert last week, but well, we're back to the usual. Team Island Spec is getting awfully fancy though. Kevin's got a new 4-link. We got Nick in the 1-ton Suzuki. Sean's got the 1-ton swap, finally working good. It's gonna be a good day in the woods, so let's get to some rock crawling. Keep going. Last time you guys saw this thing, we were having cooling issues. He didn't have any brakes. He's since fixed both of those things. So green bastard should be working the way we want it to work. This is literally as far as we made it last time. Sticky Reds. I bet he's smiling right now. So today we have the whole crew back together. We got Sean, green bastard, the OM 617 1-ton Toyota. We got Riley in the Land Cruiser with a 4.3 Chevy. Jimmer in the old tipsy truck. We got Kevin in the janky, the new 4-link. Look how fancy that is. And we flexed her out in the parking lot right before we left. We realized the tire was hitting the shock real bad, so Island Spec bump stops.
Little bit? Little bumpage now?
I think it's gonna be good. We also took the old rear springs that were thicker and put them on the front. So hopefully we're gonna stop wrecking front springs. Well, I'm stoked to be back out with these guys. Last time we were out here, there was snow on the ground. Kevin struggled at this climb. Kevin also stretched her out, I think, about 10 inches. So I think he's close to 100 inches now. I'll have to ask him. I think that's the first time Riley hasn't hit it on the first try this climb. Still doesn't have to work that hard. We were expecting you to belly out hard with your school bus.
No, this is like 30 inches tall. You need that height, I feel like.
30 inches tall and 124 inches long? What's your wheelbase now?
101.
101, that's a lot of inches compared to your frickin' 90, 11 more inches.
11 more inches. It's never gone up that.
Oh, you know, it's a good day when the boys got the techno going. We got Nick and the nothing fancy 1-ton swap Suzuki. Also, Nick is about to take that thing under the knife again because he picked himself up a Ecotech, an AX15, and all the assorted goodies. So that thing is getting a big horsepower upgrade because the Ecotech's around 150 horsepower. That thing's around 70. Oh, you're wrong. So we haven't seen Zach out in a little while. Also, big props to Mrs. Zach because I wouldn't drive with that man. It's always fun to have the wives out on the trail. What a piece of garbage.
That's hot garbage to you. Thank you very much.
Works better than my car, so I don't know what that makes my car. Just a proper turbomobile. Oh, Nick's trying to get fancy with it. Damn. Apparently that's the new line now. Damn. Everybody's rigs are so cool these days. When everyone's got sticky tires, not needing to get on the throttle, and I'm just a little bit sad about that. Yes! Trying to find some challenging stuff. Also, while I think about it, big shout out to my Washington State buddies for putting up with me, taking me down to King of the Hammers. Chris, Trail Dad, thanks for the ride and the bed and the food and everything. You minty prick. Oh, Sean with the world's most bald reds thought he was gonna go through there. What an idiot, I love it. Yes! I'm really proud of you. I was really surprised to see you going through the
As soon as I went in, my front end just went like, duh, and I'm like, oh yeah. Couldn't resist.
Me either, that's why I drive through it every time.
You know your tires are bald when you're doing burnouts in the water and it's not even splashing you because your tires are so bald.
Crappy customs. No problem. I love car wrangling and giving directions, because you know what, the way I like to point everyone, hard way. Oh, good day in the forest. I love rock crawling. Funny thing, today is actually Super Bowl Sunday, so you can tell what sport we like. It ain't sports ball. Attaboy! That's gonna inspire Sean to hit it. The old titties rocks. Boom. Wow, we just slammed through the first 2 trails on this trip. Pretty easy. So super mint. Also, gotta give a shout out, as always, to everybody on the Patreon channel. I started this here to hook those guys up with not only early release, but extended cut videos. So you guys on the Patreon channel get to see a lot more shenanigans than Team Freeloader. So if you're thinking of signing up, supporting the channel, it's one of the perks. Extended videos, early release, name on the side of the Pathmaker, shout outs, all those good things. So we're gonna make a plan here, see what's next on the day, but so far, Team Fancy Car Island Spec, it's making it happen. It's probably time for trail setup. Woo! Uh-oh.
Hey, boys!
Not today. Wow. Oh, an extra half inch and he would have gone over. Yeah. Oh, he did it. Kevin did the thing. But at least we get a really good look at your 4-link though. Looking mint.
Really awesome. Yeah. Good job.
Oh, I like the case hardening on the bottom of your diff there too. That's fancy.
What the fuck, girl? Just keep going. You got it. Keep going. It's close, but it's awesome.
Looks great. Maybe not.
There we go. Backwards. Oh, right out of it. Right out of it. Back it up. Oh. Maybe not.
Well, lucky you, Riley. Kevin owes you a winch. Oh, I like your, I like the bottom of your bell housing there. We can see your throw up bearing. That must, it must really like that. When people ask what Island Spec is, that is Island Spec right there. Well done. Damn.
Make it look like you're trying, guys. Oh yeah, right.
Yes. Belts on for that one, boys. That was gnarly. It started to go to the scary side, but it just kept going. You went... No! He lost his momentous. You gotta line back up to the trees and do it again. That was gnarly.
They always belly out right there.
It's the old 19-inch belly life. Zach doesn't know that, so he's gonna belly out here. That was a belly sound.
That was so belly.
The old puckboard. He's another goddamn Zamboni driver. If you're Canadian, you have to have at least 2 buddies who drive Zambonis. Also, I'm not even making jokes. He really does drive a Zamboni. So does Trev with the Volvo Portal car. Pathmaker has the snowplow on it, and I just didn't have any time since getting home from King of the Hammers, doing editing video and getting back at work. I haven't had time to take the plow off. That's why I'm a passenger here today. Oh,
It's all covered in gear oil.
that's Jim's freaking output from his front pinion. Oh, Kevin couldn't get her done. nothing fancy.
That big power wire hanging out.
So I think we only got Toyota axles and 37s, but it's super lightweight, which definitely helps climbs like that. Now did you lose one of those belts? God damn it, Zach.
I think I just popped it off when I pushed that tree that Nick pushed in front of me.
I like this too, leading with your power wire. Yeah. That's nice. Yeah. So we're gonna get a wrench, put that thing back on. We're doing our part, boys. We're gonna go Parker, have ourselves some lunch, because you know how we do. I'm super stoked to see the green bastard running so well though. After like 13 months of building due to fund issues, it's good to see that thing back on the trail. And doing exactly what Sean envisioned. Which is really what it's all about.
Yeah.
Kevin's in charge of the barbecue. He's letting you know.
I don't like being in charge of the barbecue.
It's too stressful?
It is.
A lot of pressure, man.
You don't want to let the boys down. Good day rock bound so far. Well, see what the afternoon gets us to. You know how she goes. The afternoon is always good times. Cheers, boys. Back on the trail after lunch. Just a little bit more faded, if you know what I mean. But afternoon wheeling is always good times. We're gonna finish up this trail. With the rigs working as good as they are, these trails don't take long to drive up, which is part of the reason why we need harder trails. Sticky tires are boring. Sticky tires are boring.
Yes, they are.
That's a decent sized climb. So for them all to drive up here without slipping a tire tells you something about sticky tires. Just to force it way to the left. Though, has the confidence of after lunch wheeling. Confidence is high here. $124-inch wheelbase for the win. Yeah, you're just gonna have to drive it. Yes, keep going. Keep driving. It's a 14 bolt, sir. You can be really hard on it. It doesn't care. Sticky tires, look at that. Make the pass on the scary side. Oh yeah, I think you got it. Yes, yes. Well, you guys who watch all the time will know this hill's a bit of my arch nemesis. Even with stickies, doesn't like going up this one. Part of the reason is this bottom. You can't roll into it nice. You got to hit it at speed, and makes it real hard. That makes me feel better. Yes. Well done. Sean did this last time we were out here on his little shakedown run. Well, we need a traction bar because you were getting some hop there. Oh, hey, Nick rolled. We need a winch. I didn't even see what was happening in the background, but Nick went left. We got a winch coming. Nick did the thing. We'll get him hooked up and get him out of here. You don't need to pull the plugs. The OM617 diesel powered Toyota here, been working great all day. Still needs to adjust the valves. He doesn't have as much power as he should. Well, do we want to crack a brake line, or what are you thinking? Brake seized, we got drive shaft rubbing. It's fine. The automatic brake system, you're like a Tesla. Crack the bleeder. We'll see if that releases that brake caliper.
Well, that feels better already.
It does feel better. Seems like you just gained 25 horsepower. Not a lot of zest, just a little bit. Kevin's going for it. Confidence is high. The old janky 2.5 we decided. It's not actually 3.0. It's got it. Uh-oh. That's the worst place ever to run out of gas.
That was the...
That was quite skillfully done, really. We need to get this man a jerry can of gas. 3-gallon tank, letting the team down.
There it is, keep on it, don't stop. Keep her going.
Nice. Well, we're waiting for Zach to come back with a bit of gas for Kevin. In the meantime, Sean's gonna jack it up and we'll see if this tire is oh, you're gonna hurt yourself with the jack. Come on, skinny boy. I think that's your brake, because that should be spinning right now. Oh yeah, that brake's definitely locked up, that's why.
That was shiny.
Get it, Angry Sean. Oh, look at that rim, your brand new rim.
I just wrecking it.
Look how much you wore it down.
That's okay.
It's fine.
Fine.
Well, now you gotta pry the bottom all the way off.
Where's the gas?
Yeah, she's seized, because the bleeder's fully cracked right now. There it is. Now that the caliper's not seized.
It's so hot.
It's fine.
Well, yeah.
How do I
Here comes our gas and our trail sodas.
Yes. And beers.
Nice.
Hopefully.
Oh, he's got fancy lights and everything.
He lacks a wife now.
Maybe she's in the garage. She's starting to fire for us?
Oh, maybe. Oh, that'd be nice.
We'll see. We'll find out how obedient Zach's wife is.
I brought gas and 6 beers.
Sweet. Attaboy.
Did some fucking hobo math.
Well, Sean's trying to figure out how to cap off that line so we can take the caliper off. And these guys are going to go throw a bit of gas in the janky car, and we'll get home. It's getting dark on us, but it's going to been a really good day rock crawling with the boys here. This is a bit of different flavor than Johnson Valley in the desert. This is rainforest rock crawling in the pouring rain. The old moccasin traps coming through. Imagine how much better it's gonna work without having the brake locked on all day. That was a good day rock crawling with the boys. We're back at Jim's. We're gonna go sit around the fire for a little bit, have another trail soda. But tune in next week. We'll get the plow up the Pathmaker. We'll get her back on the trail. Anyways, we'll figure it out. Cheers, boys. Shout out to all the guys on the Patreon channel and everybody for tuning in. Tune in next week. 'Tis the season for rock crawling, and these things getting pretty damn good.